Hello, everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of the Build Corner, where we take a look at theoretical builds at the most expensive price points. This very first episode is going to be on the Alienware Area 51, the highest spec model of the very new one that almost looks like it's out of this world. As you can see right here, it looks like Samus's morph ball here. This original build starts off at $44.99 and 0 cents. It is the Alienware Area 51, and we'll get into it. And if we take a look here, we look at the starting off price points of everything that you get for this cost. It is 4th generation Intel Core i7 processor, Windows 8.1, 16 gigabytes of memory, and 256 solid state drive with 4 terabytes hard drive for your storage needs. The next thing we're going to do in this series is actually build this machine right here. So this is a theoretical build clearly. It starts off with the i7 5930K processor with 6 cores. Next thing, we're going to upgrade it up to an i7 5960X actually with 8 cores, not 20 cores, and 20 megabyte cache. So that's another $600 that we just added to our cost limit right there. And with a machine this expensive, you might as well get the most expensive operating system available, and that is going to be Windows 8.1 Pro to be able to hold all of that RAM we're about to put into this machine. The next thing we're going to put into this machine is going to be not 1 year at Alienware basic support, but let's go with 4 years, because the cost we're about to pay for this kind of machine, if we were going to pay for this machine, you might as well get the best support. Not the best support, but the most amount of support you can get for the longest amount of time at least. 4 year accidental damage service plan right here. And then here is the one of the most important parts of this build, being the graphics card. Now already to start off this build, with the original $44.99 cost, it would give you triple NVIDIA GeForce GTX 980 graphics with 12 gigabytes of total memory, being split 4 gigabytes each across each of the three SLI enabled graphics cards. But they have choices, and we're not going to care about any other choice but right here, the dual video card option, which is the dual Titan Z graphics with 24 gigabytes of total graphical memory. Each card holds 12 gigabytes of graphical memory. That is insane, and that costs a lot of money, but who cares, because this is a theoretical build. Next thing up is the 32 gigabytes of quad channel DDR4 RAM. So here we go, we got that in. So now basically you can pretty much run every single program in your entire life ever, hopefully in the next like 20 years, on this machine without ever needing to upgrade, because it's the best of the best. Next thing we're going to do is upgrade the storage space hard drive. Instead of the 256 gigabytes SSD drive, we're going to go up to 512 and keep the same 4 terabytes storage, because 4 terabytes is still a ton of space unless you own an Xbox One or a PS4, in which case, let's face it, you're going to need a lot of that space, because I've already run out of space on my Xbox One. Next thing they give you is the 1500 watt multi GPU approved power supply. So that's good for if you have all this stuff in the machine, which we do. We stuffed it to the brim. You're gonna need all that power supply power in order to hold it all in a stable condition. You have Wi-Fi wireless, you have AC Wi-Fi, and you have Bluetooth 4.0. So you got everything you need right there. Next is the monitors. Now normally people who are going to spend this kind of money on a computer, they would never ever buy monitors from this kind of place. I'm pretty sure some people would buy the 4K monitor or the 27 inch, but in my opinion, I will not buy from Dell in terms of monitor. I would just go to Asus. I would just go with LG or some other brand, or I just get a TV for a monitor instead, or some gaming monitor like AOC or something like that. So we're not going to think about monitor for this build on this Dell website. Neither are we going to care about keyboard or standard mouse or the premium gaming keyboard, because look at their choices. They have these as choices. They have the Rocat Cone and the Rocat PC gaming bundle, which honestly, I would rather just get either a Razer keyboard and mouse, or I would just get a Logitech G series mouse and keyboard. So forget all that. Microsoft Office productivity software trial. We can stick with the trial, because let's be honest. Actually, no, let's go with the 365 Home, because why not? We're going to be spending all this money. You might as well have Office on it, at least so you can read stuff that's on there. Next thing up is the antivirus. Unfortunately, they don't have AVG. They have McAfee. We'll just go with McAfee 36 months, so we never have to think about it for 3 years. So for the price of two, who cares? We're spending money. Next thing up is the photography and video editing software. We'll just go with the Creative Cloud 12-month digital delivery, which means all you have to do is download it and you have it for 12 months, and who cares about that? So it's got all this stuff inside this machine, stuffed inside this morph ball looking machine from Metroid in this crazy design, which is supposed to rival the Mac Pro. And the total cost of this machine is actually $8,015.28 with the savings of $230 because that is a thing. This machine, if you were to actually purchase this right now, it would actually ship by January 12th, which is approximately like 2 days, 2 weeks away, not 2 days. This is January 1st right now. So it's a crazy machine, and you get an E-value coupon code. Uh, Unfortunately, it'll probably be gone by the time you watch this video. But there we go. That is the build of the craziest machine on Earth. It's got the hard drives on the back. It's got the crazy look of it on the front. It's got just craziness all around. It's the Alienware Area 51 gaming desktop. If you want to tune into more of these kind of videos, take a look at the VA Legend 93 channel that you are looking on right now for more videos. The next video is probably going to end up being about the Mac Pro full build, theoretical build. I'll catch you guys later. My name is Kwaku, and I'll catch you guys later again. Peace.